This is Julie Petro and Andrew Murray. They help with the web development and communications for the Earth Observing Laboratory at NCAR in Boulder, Colorado.
NCAR is the National Center for Atmospheric Research, and we've been around since the 60s. And we do research about the atmosphere, pretty much anything having to do with the atmosphere, whether it's weather, whether it's chemical species that make up the atmosphere, whether it's how different layers of the atmosphere interact with one another. Basically anything having to do with the atmosphere, NCAR covers it in one of its laboratories. I use, my main tool that I use is my computer. What I do here is I do communications for the entire laboratory. So anything from the website to making brochures that our scientists might hand out when they go to conferences or when they have meetings. I write reports that we give to the government who funds the center. Basically anything having to do with communication. So probably my computer is the tool that I use.
I build and maintain the website for the Earth Observing Laboratory of NCAR.
The Machine Shop.
My name is Karl. I am the shop supervisor. We're going to go out in the shop here in just a second, and I'm going to introduce you to a couple of guys that are machining parts, and we can show you how we do things. This is Walt Hodson. He is our lead instrument maker here. He's working on some flight parts that go on a satellite that's being designed and built by LASP at the University of Colorado.
So, how is this part made?
They start off with a block like this. This is the first operation. Everything is roughed, and then from there we take it to that. And I've got a hole basically plus or minus 1 on the thickness, 1/1000th of an inch for something that thin. It likes to bend and warp, so you have to keep moving it around, flipping it around to get it flat. It's not an easy part.
When Walt carves this tool, his margin of error is 1/1000th of an inch thick. That's about 1/4 of the width of a human hair.
Just to give you guys an idea what Walt's talking about the 1/1000th of an inch, if you take a Sharpie and you draw a line like that, the thickness of that Sharpie mark up and down this way is 1/2 of a thousandth. So if you do it again, that's the tolerances that he's working to, is the thickness of that ink on the aluminum, which is about 1/4 the thickness of one of your hairs. As long as your program is right, it's hard
On the computer, you can see this tool being carved in a faster time period. How does Julie's job relate to NCAR's machine shop?
Well, it's more that we help them do what they do, and we are in charge of the website so that atmospheric researchers who might be interested in doing a particular kind of experiment can know what kind of instruments can be built and what we can do and how we can help them.
Julie helps to spread the word about new tools and all the things that NCAR does and offers.